Welcome to the MPK Brushable Resin tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make a mold jacket using our MPK 75D brushable resin. So the first thing you're going to do is put on some nitrile gloves because this can get messy. You're going to take your gram scale and put a cup on there and tear it out. And then this particular mixture uses 52 grams of A side and 48 grams of B side by weight. So we're gonna pour the B side first. Like so. And then we're going to pour the A side, 52 grams. A little more. And we're going to mix it for 30 seconds. Normally I would be able to time it on my phone, but my phone is recording now, so I'm just timing it in my head. And you're going to want to do a back and forth mixture like this to get it all around. And you'll feel it warming up pretty quickly. I'm just using simple stir sticks right now. And then, I'm going to get that scale out of here and my face back in display. You're going to take a 1-inch chip brush and start applying that brushable resin onto your mold to create the very first layer. You're just going to be brushing it up the mold to even it out. And you have a 4-minute work time in total, so you should have enough time if you're working with small batches, like 100-gram batches. You should have enough time to spread it all out. And you don't want to spread it too much. You want it to be smooth. Because if you spread it too much, it'll get a little mountainous, so to speak. That one's done. Just keep doing a figure-8 mix for 30 seconds with a tongue depressor. Now we're going to spread that second batch on. And I'm just using the first brush I already used because it's still good. That way you go through less brushes. Periodically, you'll need to apply a new pair of gloves. Now this is going to be our last coat. So as you can see, this has been a good many of coats. But we're just going to do one more just to make sure everything is smooth. We're going to do this coat extra slowly, because again, we don't want those quick brush strokes. Or else they'll create a lot of ridges. And now we're just going to let it dry.